All right, I just received my Mini 2 hub with 2 batteries, and we're gonna check it out. All right, let's see what we got. Make it so hard to get this stuff out of the... All right, so basically, bam, this is it right here. Look, and they're already charged. Holy cannolis. So anyway, I bought this on Amazon, and it was for the hub and the 2 batteries, it was 149 bucks. So anyway, we're gonna see how this thing works. Now, from what I understand, don't keep these batteries charged. Don't leave this thing plugged in. Don't leave the batteries charged. You should discharge your batteries to 50% when you're not using them. And take the battery out of the drone also. Take it out of there and let it discharge. Now, the night before you're gonna go and fly your drone, charge everything up. And then bam, it'll be ready to go that day. Then when you're flying it, they'll discharge, and then they'll be safe. For apparently, these lithium batteries, they could be dangerous. So you've gotta think about that. And that's what it says in the brochure, or their, if you go online and look at the specs. So that 50% is just 2 of these lights lit up. Right now, none of them are lit up. Let me see if I press this, if anything happens. Okay, there we go. So right now, you can see these batteries are almost fully charged. They came that way. Think about that. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and see how this thing works. Okay, so anyway, this is the battery that came with my drone. And the battery, let me just show you where it goes. On the back of the drone, just above the USB-C and the micro SD card slot, is an area where the battery goes in. And you can see these little golden terminals. That's where this sets right here. If you look on this side of the battery, you'll see that's where it goes in. So when you put the battery in, you just kind of slide it in like that. And it makes a little clicking noise. Bam, done. And you can see this little thing right here. You pop it and it pulls out. And right here, this slides into a little slot that's right there. So they say take the battery out of your drone when you're storing it and you're not using it. And then just, put your drone wherever you store it, just like I'm putting it there. And then this battery, to charge this thing, what we would do is we would stick it in here, just like that, and make the clicking noise. Bam. And so it's the exact same thing. All of them have this little ridge right here. So if we pull them out, you just pull that and it pops off. If you look, see, there's the little thing. Same for this one. There's the little thing. Same for here. So it's basically the same kind of setup. So here's all your little terminals that connect to the battery, and here's where it fits in right there. So if we put our batteries back in, all we do is just take them, slide them in, click them a little bit, and they just pop right in there. See that? And then so we just go all the way around like this, get them in there. Bam. Whoops. See, I tried to put it in backwards. Can't do that. Put it in this way. Bam. Now, if you want to check and see how charged they are, you press this button right here, and it gives you your charge. So it looks like this one's about 75%. This one's almost fully charged. This is blinking here, and this one's fully charged. So they're all charged. And if we want to charge them, we can use a USB-C here or a regular USB here. And we just basically plug it into whatever charging port you have. I'm going to show you that over here. All right, so we're going to go show you how to charge this thing. I'm going to set it right here. I have this block that I can plug a bunch of USBs in here, and I've got a USB-C right here. So if we look on the side, I can go ahead and shove it right into that USB-C port. And I'm not sure how long it's going to take to charge, but if I leave it overnight, I'm sure it's going to be charged up. And if you look, you can see here, this one's almost charged. This one here, I'm not seeing anything. Let's go ahead and just press this power button on the side to see what our charge is. All right, so that tells me what the batteries are. So I got 3/4, and a full charge here almost. So, that's what you do. You just let it sit there. Then the next day when you're ready to go, you just unplug her, cha-ching, and bam, you bring her over here and you go ahead and put it all away. First of all, you can just pop the batteries out, and these can slide right in like that, just like that. So you got 3 little slots there. Bam, you're done. Stick them all in there. I mean, you could actually have 4 batteries if you put one there. And then you can take your hub and you can set it right down in here, just like that. And bam, there you go. Now you got your case ready to go. And bam, now you can go take it anywhere you want and fly that sucker. And that's pretty much it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to use your DJI Mini 2 drone, charging ports, and all that other stuff. Peace out.